Hello everybody, Yellow Mustang here again with another Roblox game development video. Last time we were working on getting the player to strafe. We were locking the camera in place so we could easily aim at enemies, essentially. So prepping for once we add weapons and stuff to the game. Like I said in the last video, today we're going to be adding sprinting. You just hold shift to sprint, essentially. So we'll start off local variable. Sprinting to keep track if we're holding it or not. So local sprinting goes false. We need the user input service. So local user input equals game get service user input service. Good. And then user input input began connect function input. Okay, so every time a key or something gets pressed, this will fire, and then we want to get the key code from this, I believe. So if input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode.left shift, then sprinting equals true. And then we want user input.input ended connect function input. Good. And then if input.keycode is equal to enum.keycode.left shift, then sprinting equals false. Sprinting. Okay, good. We also want to get the character's humanoid, so we can set the run speed. So local human equals script.parent wait for child humanoid. And then if we're sprinting, I guess we'll set the walk speed to, like, I don't know, 23 maybe. We'll test that out and see if that's too fast or not. I think we can do like some camera FOV stuff also. Let's see. So human. We should probably keep track of the movement speed. So we'll do local original speed. It's equal to just 0 for now as a placeholder. And then we'll set org speed equals human.walk speed. So after we're done sprinting, we can set it back. And actually, we'll do... Okay, we're going to do this, just so this has more flexibility. So we're going to do if left shift is pressed and sprinting is equal to false, so we don't run this multiple times. And then we're going to have the run speed be human.walk speed plus 7, I guess, should be good. So that way, if the character picks up an item that increases his walk speed in general, sprinting will still speed him up quite a bit. So that should be good for now. We might have to adjust that later. And then if sprinting's false, we'll set the human.walk speed to the original walk speed, and that should be good there. Let's go ahead and get the camera as well. Let's organize these variables also. Let's move this down here, not all over the place. Do this. Camera should be higher up, I guess. Let's move it here. Okay, so local camera equals workspace dot current camera, and I believe, let's see, what's the FOV of the default is 70. So we want to increase this FOV to look like we're moving faster. So let's do camera. Well, we need to do the tween service, so we can do game get service tween service. It's like create, and then the object that we're doing, which is going to be camera tween info.new. We'll have like a half a second, like a tween into position, so it's smooth. And then what else? I believe we just need the what value we're tweening, which is going to be field of view equals 100. Let's do that. And then we need to do play. Okay, hopefully that works. We'll see here. Before I copy that, let's go ahead and test this and see if this is working. Okay, so going. Ooh. Okay, not bad. Alright. Press left control because the escape key is broken. Alright, so let's have this actually reset now. So after we're done sprinting, we can set this back to 70, I guess. Let's see how this works. Let's run this. Should look pretty good. Okay. Ooh, okay, not bad, right? So sprinting, field of view increases quite a bit. Looks like you're moving faster than not sprinting, normal field of view. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, well, that did not take as long as I thought it would. That was actually really smooth. Normally we have like a million errors with our things, with our scripts, but I guess that just went ahead and worked for us. I was holding off on designing the main character, but I guess we're gonna have to start at some point, right? All right, let's just make sure this is the front surface. Front. Okay, well, it's gonna be basically like a... I don't really want to make like a custom character for this because it's gonna look horrible. Yeah, this is looking bad already. And I need something like flat to build on also. Let's get like a platform. Let's anchor this. Let's make this like black or something. Like put this in the ground. I got something to build on. Okay, there we go. Let's make this a different color. Sand blue. Set the material. Grass. Okay, that looks awful. Well, that's fine. Let's go ahead and lock this so I don't move it. Okay, so what are we doing here? So, should we create our own custom player model? I said I wasn't gonna use Roblox character models, but I think it's just going to probably work better than whatever I make. Like, this is going to be awful. Okay, we're gonna try our best here. I know most of you guys hate building. I hate building. Most people hate building. But we gotta make the game. This is part of being a Roblox developer, so we are going to push through and we are going to make this guy amazing. Now let me make this like a different color, like pastel brown. Okay, good. We need some wedges on this guy also. Get the chest. If you guys want, I can do some of the character design and stuff off camera. Because I know this stuff is like hard to watch. I know like you don't want to be like bored watching this video. I know by the retention rates are pretty bad. So let's see here. Do that. Do this. Bring this in. And I want to redo this guy. I want to adjust him a little bit because his head looks crazy looking. Okay, let's bring this here and rotate. Rotato. Okay, great. What happened to this? Oh, it's not all the way out. Okay, so I gotta bring this piece in. Okay, yeah, this is looking amazing, right, guys? All right. I mean, okay, let's just continue. I mean, Roblox has it right with the head, I guess, or a special mesh for the head. And then, let's see, scale 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. Okay, great. Now, our character, this is it, this is done. Let's see. Is this how a chest looks? Okay, I'm gonna pull an image real quick on my other monitor here. Let's see, risk of rain, commando. Okay, I see. Alright, so, I mean, we're close-ish with him. Let's bring this down a bit. Bring this down as well. So like with the shoulders, So maybe we'll give this like guy an actual neck, I guess. I mean, most Roblox characters don't have necks, and it's kind of weird, like mixing like the blocky look with the like realistic like neck kind of look also. So let's see how this turns out here. Okay, get this adjusted down here. But yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, like if we should start just skipping the building part, because I know it's bad. I know you guys just want to see some scripting and shit, and I mean, I just want to script. I should just like hire a builder or something for me, and they can just do all this dirty work, and then I come in here and make it amazing. Let's see. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, great. It's looking amazing. Does this need to be like taller? Maybe it's like too wide. Okay, let's get this on the other side here. So the character is actually like wearing a helmet. Oh my god. This is great. Okay, so he's like wearing a helmet. Let's see, maybe we can change this mesh type to spear. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Sorry about your head. It's kind of big. Alright, let's sink it down a bit. Okay, we should have like multiple parts here. I don't want to copy the game exactly, but okay. Is that too big for like a helmet look? It does look pretty big. And then we should get like another one in here and bring it out and then change the color as like the screen. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill every motorcycle man on the planet. They don't shut. Alright. Okay. This looks like an eyeball or something. Let's see. Okay. It doesn't help that I made it white. This is supposed to be like a spacesuit. Well, I guess we can make the spacesuit like yellow, because the actual character's spacesuit is like a dark yellow. Let's see. That looks like orange. That's yellow. That's too bright. Okay, neon orange. That's pretty good. We'll go with gold. Sure, gold works. Okay, let's adjust the color of his traps here. Make this gold as well. Okay, and then the front piece can be gold. Okay, now it's like too much gold though. So I think his arms, yeah, so let's make his arms like two different parts. Let's bring this up, duplicate that, bring it down. Okay, wow, I'm surprised I got that actually accurate. Okay, let's see. So we want this to be a different color. It's like, is this black? It's in 2 spots. Okay, we can have it be like a different shade of yellow so it's not too jarring. Neon orange, brown, bright yellow. We do like neon orange maybe for the shoulders, and then maybe we can have it go up to the traps. Let's see. I don't know. It kind of looks like he's wearing a shirt. There needs to be something that kind of like signifies that he has a elbow, but I don't know what would be a good way of doing that. Maybe if we like move this like forward slightly. Yeah, I don't know. We can like, I want to rotate these as well. I don't like it sticking out in that way. Let's rotate this here. Okay, Okay, that's a little bit better. Can we size all these at once? No, we can't. Okay, thanks Roblox. That's great. Alright, so let's move this up. And move this over to here. Okay. And I saw your guys' comments about the join surfaces or whatever thing that I had toggled on. I appreciate the comments. They were helpful. Alright. So we don't want this to be like the whole torso, do we? Let's make this... That's not bright yellow, it's gold, right? I'm like losing track of what colors I'm using already. Okay, so it's gold. It's just like, it sticks out like too much, I think is the problem. Let's make this like less insane looking. Okay. That's a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, that's much better actually. Alright, let's go ahead and update these arms. All these characters are going to be like completely changeable, by the way. Like, it's not going to be permanently like this awful looking. We're gonna, over time, we're gonna keep adding to these characters and make them like look significantly better. So let's, on the back, we can give them like a backpack or something to wear, I guess. So let's see if we can do that. And give this back here. Do that, this, bring it up a bit, and then we'll have like a top flap thing. Bring this up and rotato once again. Okay, good. Okay, this all sized up here. Okay, so we will make that piece gold. This piece will be neon orange. Yeah, I don't know if I'm like 100% set on these colors. And then would the helmet look better like that? Maybe like further down too, just like back to normal. It's so symmetrical. I just hate like super symmetric things like this. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Do this. Can we make this piece like bigger? Would it help? Yeah, I think that does help actually. Maybe if we make it wider, here, not that one. I want this one wider on the sides. That's too much. Maybe just on the top is okay. There we go. This is kind of looking like a spaceman now, I guess. Okay, let's do the legs now. Should his legs be apart? Yes, because that's how legs work. Then it looks kind of awkward is the thing. It really matches well with our lizard guy, who is way larger than I thought. Oh god. I didn't realize this guy is so big. Might have to like increase the size of this guy like completely. So arms wise is okay, I guess. We can just roll with it. I mean, I really want to get like this character like in action, just moving. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here. Let's shrink these legs down and we can duplicato these legs into place. Okay, there we go. That's looking like something now. All right, get these. This will be darker orange. Like maybe I should just be doing it based off of this. Let's see. Okay, so they're like brown now. Is that how we want it? Maybe we should just go for like the jarring like black and yellow kind of look to it. Let's see. Let's just make these black. We'll make all these black as well. Not like super black. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better than just the neon orange. Like the colors were too similar, so it looks pretty bad. Backpack color should probably be different. Maybe we can make this like gray. Yeah. Okay. So, how big is this guy compared to like a figure or something? Let me see here. Pull one of my figures into here. Yeah, so he's pretty small. I think we can like resize all the parts at once though, and that should resize like properly. Okay, there we go. Make him like that. Okay. This is looking way better now. Okay, great. Yes. I know you guys are so happy that I'm such a great builder. We can add like, let's see, what else should we add to him? Should this be like shiny? Too shiny. There we go. That looks pretty good. Okay, the alarm is going off. So let me know what you guys think about this this starter character here, what we can change on him to make him better, because in the next episode, if everybody's good with it, then we're just going to go ahead and animate him, get him ready to animate all that, and then I will make this what people spawn into essentially, and you will just control this guy, and we'll add the guns to him as well. So I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.
Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this. Oh fuck.